Aren't you supposed to walk? There you go. Yay! Hi! You love that thing, don't you? Good job. Want me to turn it around? Here. Let's turn it around. Hold on, baby. All right. Go. Can you move it? Sorry, we have like 3 feet for you to walk. Is it stuck? Here, let's move it a little bit. There you go. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, now he's dancing. That's so cute. Roar! Do the booty dance. Yeah! Good job, baby. Good job. Shake the booty. Shake the booty. Yeah! Shake the booty. You getting your brother? Where's Mojo? Can you say hi to Mojo? Gavin, say hi to Mojo. What's he doing? Mojo. Is he being crazy? What's your brother doing, Gavin? What's he doing? I think he needs to go outside. What do you think? You do have Grandpa's monkey butt, don't you? Want me to turn it back around for you? Here you go. Gavin. Gavin, look, it's ready. Look. Come get it. Come get the toy. Come get it. Or not. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.